Right, welcome back, returns. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Now, in this video, I'll be showing you on how to calculate the estimated mean in a grouped data. Right? Now, my first question is 2.1. What is happening in 2.1? Remember, this question is the intelligent quotient IQ of grade 10 class is summarized in the table below. Now, this is what you have and also the frequency. Now, the question is, write down the modal class of the data. How do you notice, how do you identify the modal class? Is the interval with the highest frequency. Where is the highest frequency? We got it. That is 8. So, which means the answer for 2.1, you are going to say it's 100 less than or equal to x less or equal to 110. That is the answer for the first one. Now, let's go to 2.2. Determine the interval in which the median lie. Okay. How many are they? You will start there. Let's first add how many are they? It's 4 plus 8 and then plus 7 and then plus 5 plus 4 and then plus 2. How many are they? They are 30, you see? So which means the median lie between the 15th, you see, and the 16th. That's where the median lies. So meaning that I'm going to check the position. Now let's check the position. The first one is 4 plus 8 is 12. When I add 7, so meaning that if I come here and say 4 plus 8, I get 12. 12 plus 7, I get 19, which means that inside here, there is a median. So which means that it's 110 less or equal to x less or equal to 120. Oh, okay. I just made a mistake on the previous one. It's not less or equal to. It's less than, okay? Let's rectify that. It's what? It's less than. Okay. Yes, that's what we are having. Now, let's go to the last one. What is the question, the last one all about? It is asking about the estimated mean. Estimate the mean. So, how do you calculate the mean? You extend your table by 2, you see? You extend your table. This is what you do. You extend your table, okay? When you extend your table, that is the procedure that you must do always when they ask you. All right? Now we extended it. Here you write x. How do you get? It's a midpoint. It's a midpoint. How do you get the midpoint? You add these two on the IQ. You add 90 plus 100 divide by 2. That is what you'll be doing. Then you say 90 plus 100 divide by 2. You get 95. You see? So this one will be 95. And then you go to the next one, you say 100 plus 110, and then you say divide by 2, you get 105, you see? So you write 105 on this one, and then here, obvious, it will be 115. Here it will be 125, and here it will be 135, and the last one will be 145. Okay, this is what we do when we want to work out something like this, you see? And then now we move on, we go to x multiplied by f. What is f? Is the frequency. You multiply the answer you got at the midpoint with the frequency, you see? This is x multiplied by f, okay? You're multiplying 4 multiplied by 95, and then you write the answer there. It will be 95 times 4, you see, 95 times 4, and then you are going to get, what are you going to get? It will be 380, and then you continue 8 multiplied by 105, you get, is what is that? It's 810, let me just erase here. Yeah, it's 840. That's what we have. And then 115 times 7, you get just a 805. And then 125 times 5, you get 625. You see what we are doing? We are multiplying those numbers. 135 multiplied by 4. You see? And then it is going to give us 540. And then you go to the last one, 144, 145 times 2. It gives you 290. That is what we have. Now, you are going to come here and then you say mean. What is mean? You're going to say the sum of those that x multiplied by f over the sum of the frequency. You see? This is what you do. Now, you're going to add this one, the total for this one and the total for this one. Obvious, the sum of the frequency, you know that is 30. Now, let's add those ones. Let's try to be quick as we add those ones. It's 380 plus 380 plus 840 plus 805 plus, you see? And then 625 plus 540 plus, and then 290, you see? And then what do you have? What do you have now here? It's 3480, see? And then what is the answer now? And then what is the answer? The answer, it should be 116. The answer should be 116. That is how you calculate the mean of a grouped data. Thank you. Till we meet on the next video.